Hello, you wonderful people of the internet. Last day before I leave south to meet my friend. That also means last day of packing, and packing includes things for the car. So that's what I want to talk about. First, I will go to another quick charging stop. I want to leave with the car full, the battery topped up to, let's say, over 95%, and yeah, that's what I'm doing now. I could charge at home, but out here, I'm out here anyway right now, and there's a fast charger, and I will use that one instead because it's faster. -32 today, and it's not going to become any better during the trip, so the car is busy keeping me cool while it's charging back there. So let's see, what did I pack for the car? The orange cable. The orange cable is like a wall box, a charging box, but in a cable. So that one hooks up to regular household voltage. That's mostly for emergencies. Then I do have an emergency kit, of course, which is important in case something happens. You have to have that on board in a German car. You also have to have like a how do you call these triangles? Like a red warning sign that you can put out in the back. Then a blue cable, which is a cable specifically for charging at public charging spots that don't have their own cable. That comes with the car. And then there's another wall box charger type of thing, which is the black cable, and that is supplied with the car. The orange one I bought, that black one came with the car. It's just not long. So what that means is if you want to charge like from a household plug somewhere where you can't park right next to a window or like right next to an outlet, that's what you would use. And then a tire repair kit, because you never know when you'll get stranded with a flat tire. This car does not come with a spare tire, an orange safety vest, because safety, and the gloves, work gloves, and a fire extinguisher, because I still had that from my combustion car. Fun fact, there are much fewer electric cars that burn every year than combustion engine cars, but hey, still, why not bring it? Doesn't take up any space. And of course, important, some charging stuff. These are RFID tags for, this is Shell Recharge, this is Electro Maps, I think, and then there's another, let me open that one up, another RFID card for EWE Go, and then I have a couple of apps. Unfortunately, there's still quite some, let's say, it's a bit like a mobile phone thing. You have multiple businesses that provide charging. Some are just providing the service, but they don't own the charging stations, but they give you the roaming. And so I expect to mostly use the Tesla Supercharger network, which is very well, oh, here you see them. There's plenty of them. So I expect to use that one most of the time, but then there will be the odd non-Tesla charger that I might want to use on the way. And that's what these cards and RFID tags are for. All right, looks like I'm done charging. I will take off back home and finish the rest of the packing. If you want to come along, the link to the playlist is tfttf.com/scout. If you want to find out more about the tour next year, if you want to get your name on the list, go to discoverthetopfloor.com. See you then. Peace.